Dear friends, we have a guest, Natasha Ceban, at our podcast, and I will let Natasha tell you about what she does. She's a very well-known and very successful insurance agent.
Good morning. Hello, Yuri. Thanks for inviting me today, and I'm very blessed and honored to be here. And yes, I've been in insurance and an insurance broker for more than 7 years, and I work for a big firm with more than 190 companies, insurance provider, and I help all my clients from all different community all over US and Canada.
And you have a lot of agents.
I do have, right now we are 66 agents under my team.
And you are in a number of cities.
All 50 states, yes.
Okay. So tell us about, I'm interested in finding out about your key person insurance. How does this work if partners are in the same business and they want to buy life insurance, and it helps with life insurance if one sells the business or wants to purchase the business from the other, or if one dies, key person life insurance works very well. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yes, sure. As an insurance agent, life and health, we help a lot of business owner to buy key person, buy-sell agreement, or executive bonus. This is 3 different plans. When you have a business partner, it's very important you insure each other, because if somebody pass away, who's gonna replace his income, right? Your business needs to run, and of course the major thing is the age when they apply, and we are praying for insurance company to approve them. That's why, guys, don't wait. If you have a business together, you should start planning right now, because sometimes of the medical condition they don't get approved.
So when you're still young, buy life insurance, and if you have partners, God forbid one of you dies, it's very expensive to buy out the family of your partner, because the cash flow is never reflecting of your business value. So buy life insurance. Also, tell us about your trucking industry clients and how you help them with insurance benefits.
Yes, how I said, always my number one, thanks to all my clients who are from trucking business, I will say 90% is the owner operator, owner of a trucking company, driver, safety, accounting, doesn't matter. It's very important for them to understand when people are trying to buy life insurance, they think only when they pass away, but actually it's not true. Today's date, we have a very good product with living benefits. In case of cancer, stroke, heart attack, transplant, Alzheimer, you can take money from a life insurance when you are alive. And also some trucking people, they get confused. Hey, Natasha, but I pay for occupational insurance, right? When you're driving your truck, Mr. Client, you are covered. But once you stop your engine, you need your life insurance, okay? That's why it's 2 different insurance when you need to purchase. And again, if you ask me this question, Yuri, I will tell them more about health insurance, because they ask, why we need so many insurance? Which one is covered? People are confused. Yes, health, you do renewal every year. When you go to the doctor, you have a CT scan, you do some x-ray, prescription, and they tell you, Mr. Client, I'm sorry, you have to go home. What happened after that? We do claim. After 90 days elimination period, we file a claim to insurance, life insurance company, where you can take like big chunk of the money. Like we have already 3 claim on my team with cancer.
Tell us some more about businesses and what kind of insurance can businesses buy from you?
A lot of businesses, how I said, they're more interesting in retirement. They want to have a plan with retirement, with because most of them are on 1099, they're not on W2. And I explained the client, when you get longer, you need long-term care insurance for the nursing home, home health care, when you cannot perform 2 out of 6 daily activity living. You get money from a permanent insurance. This is not term. That's why you plan now. All my business owner, they invest in their plan because they have cash accumulation. Some of the part of the money goes for retirement, some of them goes for long-term care, and some of them for death benefit. God forbid, if something happens, you guys need to pay your mortgage, you need to make sure your kids is out of the college without a student loan, and you have a good life, you know.
So immigrants in particular need good advice, especially when they come to the United States and they're not yet knowledgeable about all the options. And then also experienced business people also need to use Natasha for insurance. And call her for legal advice. Call Birg Law. We handle business immigration, we handle personal immigration, we handle Visa U, we handle VAWA, and many other situations involving removal defense, etc. So Natasha, from my family-based immigration practice, many of my family-based immigration clients, petitioners, want to buy insurance for their spouses. First of all, they want to buy insurance, and secondly, a financial transaction of this kind looks good in the application also. Obviously has to be a bona fide insurance purchase. So tell me how they can buy insurance from you and what kind of services do you provide?
Yes, and very good question, Yuri. Why? Because a lot of people are non-documented. They don't have any documented, and they are thinking insurance company is not gonna approve them. But actually, I have a lot of clients I helped during the immigration process when the immigration officer was asking for extra document, and actually the life insurance was the very good document support where the client win the cases, because they want to make sure you take care of your spouse, of your husband, of your kids. They will have money for protection, and many of my clients they get this. Even you guys are non-documented, just don't worry about it. Reach out to me, I'll be able to help and win your case.
So you should buy insurance because you want to buy insurance for your spouse, but also if you buy insurance for your spouse, it does look good on your application.
Yes.
Thank you, Natasha.
Thank you so much.